How to enable or disable Bixby sound feedback on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and tap on advanced features. Now in here, tap on Bixby at the top. Then go down and tap on sound feedback. Tap on the toggle button to turn off sound feedback or to switch it on. Here it will play a sound when Bixby starts and stops listening. Hey Bixby. So you can hear it make that sound. So if I turn it off. Hey Bixby. Now if I switch it off, it does not make that sound. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.